And welcome to Origins of Sound. My name is Mr. T West, and today we're talking Electro House. Now we're going to be looking at the history of Electro House music, how it all began, what it's all about, and of course we're going to showcase a video that will probably give us an idea of what Electro House music is. Electro House is a form of house music characterized by a prominent bass line or kick drum and a tempo between 125 and 135 beats per minute. Its origins were influenced by electro, electro clash, electro pop, synth pop, and tech house. The term has been used to describe the music of many top 100 DJs including Dimitri Vegas and Like Mike, Hardwell, and Skrillex. We are back. We're still discussing Electro House music. And what's the use of discussing a topic or genre without involving the industry aspect? Today we have Ocean from Channel O, and we have KG, who's a producer, and we're gonna discuss more about this genre and what they think about this thing called Electro House music. Okay, like I said, we have Ocean from Channel O, and we have KG, who's a producer. And we're discussing electro, guys. I'm a deep house fan, soulful house, that's what I do. I don't know much about electro. With Channel O, from my view, I see Channel O as a local branded channel. So do you guys have room for a genre like electro house music? And if so, is the response from the viewers good, or at the scale of 100%, what percentage do you think we consume?
Electro house scene is just that it's saturated, it's wide. So you have electro pop, you have electro urban, you have electro where it's real deep, and the deep version is the one that doesn't come through. I mean, we have opened platform where we get electro house from international people, but the target audience for the deep electro house, we don't really have that much of a big scene locally for it. You yourself, as you alluded, that you are more of a deep house. So we know that we get good response from Vinny's house, and if you look at the people that come through there, it's mostly deep house players. We do get now and then electro DJs, but the response, because the market isn't that wide open for our clients.
So would you say it's I don't know if I'm politically correct, it's a white genre?
It started out like that, but David Guetta. I mean, when David Guetta came into the scene, he comes from an electro background, but he has fused pop and urban music into electro, so it becomes more acceptable. And the more you find DJs who does that kind of fusion, you'll find that people will start to be more receptive to a much deeper version of it. But for now, there's not enough of that.
And that's true actually, because I've seen with David Guetta, he's opened doors for other DJs who are doing the same thing. With that being said, in South Africa, do we have concerts or events that cater for this kind of music?
Yeah, we do have events that they are mostly catering for electro fans. House fans can go as well, but it mostly caters for electro followers and people who love electro music. You've got an event like Ultra. It's an international event. It started overseas, and with the growth of house music here in SA, they brought it aside. And as much as they're trying to infuse electro and house, but there's still that struggle in terms of the attendance when it comes to people who really love electro. Locally, we are more into house music. Locally, so there'll always be a challenge in terms of, is there a market for electro? So now you find people are fusing things like internationally instead of doing like electro pop. You find someone like David Guetta would do a pop song and add electro elements. then a lot of people, I think that's when they started paying attention to electro music. They also, a while back, there was a time where even our pop stars like Chris Brown would do a bit of electro music. That was just the time, and then it faded away because I think the market internationally it's there, but locally I think we're still coming up. Still coming up.
So that's it, guys. You heard it from the experts, and let's look at a music video to know more about what this genre is and to have a feel of what electro is.
Put a glass box around her and she'll break the glass. If you try to cage her in, she'll light the match. Oh, she's like an animal, it's in her blood. She will turn every chain into dust, into dust. Into dust. Like the wind is free, like the water's deep. She's a burning rush. If you try to take what is in her veins, watch it turn her life. Like the wind is free, like the water's deep. She's a burning rush. If you try to take what is in her veins, watch it turn her life into dust, into ruler of stars, like Cleopatra waging wars, a goddess in the human form. The queen of hearts, ruler of stars, like Cleopatra waging wars, a goddess in the human form. Into dust, into
That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the show. Join us next time when we take you on a journey of great underground music. Do follow us on all social medias using the name Origins of Sound. My name is Mr. T West, signing out.